Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Make Garments Pattern. I am Muhammad Danish. Today is my topic is a sleeve. This is my topic is not a normal sleeve. Now I am going to create a bishop sleeve. Bishop sleeve is is like a inside bottom is is gathered with elastic or gather with binding. So now I am going to explain how to create a basic sleeve. Bishop sleeve, I have a basic sleeve pattern, this one. Now I am going to explain how to create bishop sleeve. Okay guys, this is a basic sleeve pattern. You can make sleeve according to your measurement. Okay. You can cut sleeve like this and trace with another paper. You can trace another paper like this. If you need this part is around 1.5 inch gap, 1.5 inch gap till here to here, and you can draw all pattern. Okay, and you can draw the line. Yeah, and you can, when you stitch, you can put gather till here to here. Around should be, you need, my opinion, you can put elastic is good. You can add elastic around 7 inches, I think so, 7 or 6.5. you can gather here and you can elastic put on the seam. Yeah, your sleeve is done, and you can put elastic here. Okay guys, if you have any doubt, you can comment me. Okay, bye.